Good morning, students. In last video we had completed three fundamental particles, their discovery, their charges, their masses and everything. Now we are starting with models of an atom. First model given by Thomson, it is known as Thomson model of an atom. According to him, atom is spherical this way, and positive part of an atom, that is proton, are uniformly distributed. It is spherical. This is positive part of an atom. जो न्यूट्रॉन प्रोटॉन था, it is uniformly distributed. Uniformly distributed. While electrons are embedded in it. Electrons are embedded in it. Negative charges are embedded in it, such that there is attraction between negative and positive, and it is stable. Electrostatic attraction between positive and negative portion, and it is electrically neutral as well as it is stable. This type of model given by Thomson. And he compared his model with plum pudding model, watermelon model. क्या बोलते हैं? Watermelon. Watermelon में कैसे होता है? पूरा red portion होता है. वो red portion हुआ protons. और उसमें जो black color के seeds होते हैं, they are electrons. This type of model is of an atom. Plum pudding model, लड्डू जैसा. Raisins उसमें लगे होते हैं. वो raisins होंगे वो electrons. और बाकी जो लड्डू का portion होगा that is protons. And he told that this structure of an atom is, stable. It is neutral because positive and negative part is such that they attract each other, so stability is there. This is the model given by Thomson, known as Thomson's atomic model. આને જોઈને કોઈને એમ ન લાગ્યું કે ખરાબ છે કે એમાં કંઈ લિમિટેશન છે. But another scientist named Rutherford, he was performing some experiments with his students, and after performing that experiment, he found that Thomson model was incorrect. Now we are studying what is Rutherford model, how he found that this model was incorrect, and how he proposed the model of an atom. First of all, what is the experiment done by Rutherford and its students? First of all, Rutherford model of an atom. Experiment of Rutherford. Rutherford experiment for getting structure of atom. He took one source of alpha particles. Some radioactive elements are there like radium, uranium. What are radioactive elements? These are the elements which spontaneously emits alpha, beta and gamma rays. Such type of elements are known as radioactive elements. So he took here radioactive elements, maybe uranium or plutonium, any radioactive element. Suppose he took radium. Okay, radioactive element. He put lead slid in between here so that alpha particles which are coming out from it move in a straight line. कौन है? Alpha particle source है. Source of alpha particle. What are alpha particles? Alpha particles are positively charged helium nuclei. Positively charged helium nuclei. How alpha particles are denoted? They are denoted as 2 He4 2 plus. This is atomic number, plus 2 is charge and 4 is atomic mass. So helium nuclei, positively charged helium nuclei is known as alpha particle. And radium is the source of alpha particles. What he did? He put a screen, round screen over here. This screen is coated with some phosphorescent material like zinc sulfide or anything. This is zinc sulfide coated. Phosphorescent material. Phosphorescent material. Then alpha particles that are coming out from this radium, when he observed on this screen, which is coated with zinc sulfide, he found 3 observations. Number 1, most of alpha particle after passing through this lead slit move in a straight line. रेडियम से अल्फा पार्टिकल्स जो निकलेंगे, मोस्ट ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल विदाउट एनी डिफ्लेक्शन, बीच में उसने लिखा गोल्ड फॉइल, सॉरी यहाँ पे उसने क्या रखा, गोल्ड फॉइल. वेरी थिन, अराउंड अबाउट 100 नैनोमीटर डायमीटर वाली गोल्ड फॉइल એને લગાવી. આ બધા ગોલ્ડના એટમ્સ છે. these are atoms of gold. Okay, what he observed, these alpha particles when passing through this gold foil, most of alpha particles move straight. कैसे पता लगा they move straight? यहाँ पे हिट हुआ उसको, यहाँ पे ग्लो दिखाई दिया, फिर यहाँ 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 ऐसे बहुत सारे ग्लो दिखाई दिए. It means that most of alpha particles move straight without any deflection through this gold foil. Then second thing he observed, that is few alpha particles were deflected by some angle. जैसे यहाँ से alpha particle आया, it deflect by some angle. Few, very less, that is 1 out of 20,000 bounce back without any deflection. जैसे यहाँ से निकला, एटम से बाउंस बैक होके वापस आ गया. This is Rutherford experiment and his observation. What is Rutherford experiment? He took one radioactive material, source of alpha particle, lead slit he made so that alpha particle move in a straight line. Alpha particle should pass through gold foil, so he kept a gold foil and a screen coated with ZNS in order to observe the path of alpha particles. What he observed? 3 things he observed. Number 1, most of alpha particles move straight. 3 things he observed. First, most alpha particle move straight without any deflection. Second, he observed few alpha particles deflect by some angle, this way, few, and 1 out of 20,000, very very less, bounce back. By hitting this gold foil, they bounce back. They won't move towards the screen. What he was thinking, keeping in mind the Thomson model. According to Thomson model, तो positive part is uniformly distributed this way, and electrons are in between. This was Thomson model. What he was thinking, when I will strike alpha particle, what will happen? Alpha particle move inside positive portion. શું થશે? Repulsion. પાછું ઇલેક્ટ્રોન એને attract કરશે, પાછું અહીંયા આવે એટલે repulsion, પાછું ઇલેક્ટ્રોનની બાજુમાં આવે એટલે attraction. એટલે થોડાક આમ કરીને બાંધી દઈ જશે. He observed like that because he had Thomson model in his mind. इतना ज्यादा एंगल से डेविएट होगा, कुछ बाउंस बैक होंगे, ऐसा तो उसने सोचा ही नहीं था. उसने क्या सोचा कि थॉमसन के मॉडल में पॉजिटिव पार्ट पूरा यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड और बीच बीच में नेगेटिव पोर्शन है, तो जब अल्फा पार्टिकल अंदर जाएंगे तो थोड़े से डिफ्लेक्शन से सब बाहर निकल जाएंगे. लेकिन ऐसा उसको दिखा नहीं. फिर उसने अपना एक मॉडल दिया. ही टोल्ड अबाउट, ही कंक्लूड अबाउट मॉडल ऑफ एन एटम. व्हाई? पहले उसने सोचा कि व्हाई दिस डिफ्लेक्शन, व्हाई दिस टाइप ऑफ deflection is observed, why it is so, and after that he gave the structure of an atom. He gave reason like this why this type of observation is there. He conclude that in an atom most of the part is empty. Atom में most of the portion empty है. Most of part of an atom is empty. Okay, the positive part is concentrated at the center of an atom. Whole positive part, whole mass. Positive part मतलब mass of an atom. Mass of an atom is concentrated at the center of the nucleus, at the center of an atom. આ બધું portion empty છે, ખાલી એક center માં tiny પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટ છે, એટલે આખા એટમનું માસ એ પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટમાં કોન્સન્ટ્રેટેડ છે. થોમ્સને શું કીધું હતું? પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટ યુનિફોર્મલી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટેડ, એટલે માસ યુનિફોર્મલી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટેડ છે, પણ આવું નથી. અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ Rutherford, whole mass of an atom is concentrated at the center in very tiny portion. उसने रेशियो भी बताया, if 10 to power minus 10 is the diameter of या radius of atom, then 10 to power minus 15 is the radius of nucleus, which is the center portion. He called this center portion as nucleus. That's why his model is also known as nuclear model, because he was the first who thought about nucleus of an atom. इतना बड़ा गैप है. कोई तो ऐसे बताता है कि पूरा जैसे क्रिकेट का ग्राउंड है वो एटम है, तो उसके सेंटर पे अगर अपन एक बॉल रख दें छोटी सी, तो दैट इज न्यूक्लियस. तो न्यूक्लियस इज वेरी स्मॉल एंड इट इज having positive part, and positive part means mass of an atom is totally concentrated at the center and rest of the part of an atom is empty. So when alpha particle move through this empty portion, they move straight. सीधું વહી જશે alpha particle, અહીંયા આવશે સીધા વહી જશે. The most of alpha particle move straight because most of the portion of an atom is empty. कोई चांस है कि अल्फा पार्टिकल इसके पास से जाए, न्यूक्लियस के पास से. So when alpha particle is moving through somewhat distance from this nucleus, then it deflected. Why? Because alpha particles are positively charged and they also carry positive charge, so there will be repulsion. So due to repulsion they deflect. और ये chances बहुत कम है. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, क्रिकेट के बड़े ग्राउंड में छोटी सी बॉल पड़ी और हम दूर से उसके ऊपर कुछ मारेंगे तो वो इसको हिट करेगा, कितना चांसेस है? बहुत कम. So very few alpha particles deflect by some angle. Why they deflect? Because when these alpha particles moving near to the nucleus, at that time they deflect. What is the reason alpha particle bounce back? When alpha particle hit on this nucleus, straight away जब उसको hit करेगा तो इतना strong repulsion होगा कि alpha particle bounce back. Most of the part of an atom is empty, so most of alpha particle move undeflected, move in a straight line. Very few deflect with some angle. What is the reason? Because when they come near, when they strike near to the nucleus, due to somewhat repulsion, they deflected. But what is the reason for bouncing back alpha particle? When alpha particle hits on the nucleus, at that time very strong repulsive forces will be there, and due to that strong repulsive force, alpha particles will be bounced back. So on these observations and conclusions, he gave Rutherford nuclear model. And what are the different points of this Rutherford nuclear model? First is the positive charge and the mass are concentrated in a small region that is called nucleus. He was the first, I told you, who gave an idea of nucleus. So what is about Rutherford model of an atom? First, according to him, whole mass and charge of an atom, positive charge, are concentrated in a small portion, very small region at the center, very small region at the center, known as nucleus. Known as nucleus. He was the first who told about nucleus. Second, he told that nucleus is surrounded by electrons. They are moving in circular path called orbit. This is positive nucleus. Where the electrons are? They are moving around the nucleus in circular path that is called orbit. These are orbit. They are circular path around the nucleus in which electrons are revolving. Continuously they are revolving. Third, he told that there is electrostatic attraction between this electron and this proton. What type of attraction? Coulombic or electrostatic force of attraction existing between electrons and the nucleus. This is Rutherford model. What are being 3 points? First is very small portion at the center of the atom, which is having whole mass of an atom which is positively charged. He called it as nucleus. As I told you earlier, if the radius of atom is 10 to the power minus 10, then what is the radius of nucleus? radius of nucleus will be 10 to power minus 15, यानी 10 to power 5 times बड़ा है आपका atom nucleus के comparison में. Then he told that where the electrons are, proton की तो बात हो गई, proton और neutrons की. Electrons कहाँ हैं? तो electrons are continuously revolving in a circular path around the nucleus. These circular paths are known as orbit. And there is attraction between positive and the negative. Positive electrons, positive nucleus and negative electron, there is electrostatic attraction. This is called Rutherford model of an atom. But there are few drawbacks of this Rutherford model. He compared his model with solar system, but still it has some drawbacks, and that drawbacks we will discuss in next video. Okay.